Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a mobile invoice management system. In this system, you can make an invoice for your mobile shop. So here I will show you all the features in this web application. First, I show you a demo. For example, if a person comes here and wants to buy a iPhone 15 Pro Max, so you will just simply select from the set name drop down the iPhone, and the variant is comes via the dependent drop down. So the set name is dependent to the variant, so you will select the 1 TB, and after you will select the 1 TB, the rate of this mobile will be automatically comes in your rate list, and you simply just need to put your QTY quantity, and now you can able to see it will work. Okay, so here you will add the model number, you will add the invoice number, you will add the IMEI2 number in IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2, and here you will add the battery, and here you will add the charger, okay, which comes with the mobile. Okay, so now here you will see your total amount will be this, and your CGST is 5% and SGST is 8%. So now you can able to see your grand total will be this. Simply here you just need to enter your name, you enter need to your address, you enter you need to your contact number. While on the other hand, the date is automatically fetch of today date. So you can see here today is 19th of Feb, and on the header menu you can also see the today date and the today current time. So on the right side, on the left side, you can see login as username Ramesh. So now the invoice number is automatically comes. How it's automatically comes when you go to the invoice system. So now you can see here already we have 4 invoices. So now the 5 is automatically comes because it's increment 1 in your invoice. Okay, from here you can simply click on this save invoice. When you click on this save invoice, your invoice will be saved successfully in your Google Sheet database. So now you can see here the fifth number invoice is saved. And one thing remember, this web application have a login functionality of admin and user. So admin can see all the invoices while the user can see only his own invoices. So now you can see here the user submitted this invoice, the name comes here. Again, you can see the drop down from here. In the drop down menu, actually your set names, your variant name, your price and your stock. Okay, so now you can see here your stock is successfully your stock will be shown here. So on the front end in admin side, this is the invoice we right now we make. And if you want to make a print, you can simply click on this print button, you can make your invoice printable. And if you want to send it on your WhatsApp, so now you can simply click on this WhatsApp and now click on open WhatsApp, so the invoice will be sent to the WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp sending feature. And if you want to clear this form, clear this invoice, you simply click on this clear form, so your invoice data will be cleared successfully. And if you will click on this history, so now you can able to see the all the invoices generated in our system. It's a admin login, so it will show you all the invoices. So for example, the invoice number 5, right now I make. If I want to view, I simply click on this view icon, view button. So now you can able to see when I click on this view, all the information comes here successfully. And if I want to update the with Samsung Galaxy, so now you can see here the drop down will automatically comes here the S10. So when I click on this S10, so the price will be changed automatically here. So now you can see here, so if I will save it, when I click on this save invoice, so the invoice is being successfully updated in our database. So now you can see here invoice updated successfully. So what is the add mobile? Add mobile means, for example, we have an iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 GB variant. Price will be about 250,000 and stock we have 500. And when I click on this save mobile, so when I click on this save mobile, so now you can see here the mobile is successfully added in our database. So I click the two times, so it will come two times. So again, to show you again, iPhone 15 Pro Max, 128 GB, and I will enter 150 50 and 1000, and stock is 500. And when I click on this save mobile, so now you can able to see the mobile added successfully, and this times it will comes. Okay, so here in this menu mobile stock, show stock, when you click on this show stock, so you will able to see all the mobile stock and all the mobile price and all the mobile models and variant names. And if you want to search a mobile, for example iPhone, so you can simply select search the iPhone. So if you want to edit this, so you can simply edit the icon Samsung S15, and when you click on the save mobile, so your data is successfully updated. Okay, so your data is mobile updated successfully, and it will update real time on your web app. So if you will log out, you simply just click on the log out and go to our login menu. So simply select a username and paste it here, and select a password and paste it here. So here you will see the type is user, and when you click on this login, so you will able to see you are successfully logged in your database. So now you can able to see this is your I need to refresh my web application. I need to refresh my web application. Okay, this is the user. Okay, now okay, that's fine. So I simply need to click on this image one, and enter my password and click on this login. When I am going to click on this login, so now you can able to see I am logged in as a user. So here I can simply create my invoice for my customers. So now you can see here automatically comes data, automatically comes simply here. I can add the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we added a multiple variants. So now you can see here 512 GB and 128 GB we have added successfully. And again the save invoice features come in your user mode, and the print now and the WhatsApp and the clear form, the same features. And in history, it will only able to see his own generated invoice, not all the invoices. The invoice number 4 is generated by my user. So when I am click on this view, so now you can able to see the invoice in invoice page. Okay, so this is our invoice which our user is generated. Okay, so when I am going to click on this history again, so here we have a date range filter functionality. So you can also check your date range, start date to end date, and filter. For example, if I am going to 3 and click on this filter to 12 and click on this filter, so now you can able to see no records found of, according to this date. The invoice is the 18. So when I am click on this invoice, so now you can see here the data is successfully filtered. And if I am click on this clear icon, so you can also see the start date and end dates is clear. And when I click on the back to invoice, then my invoice page is successfully loaded in front of me. So this is our in mobile invoice application, web application using the Google Sheet and web app script. So in this web app, we have a user authentication with admin and user, invoice management, mobile inventory management, stock management, and invoice retrieval system. So these are all the features we have in this system. Hope you like this video, you like this concept. Please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also hit the like button. We appreciate your subscribe and your like. Please do comments in our videos for project ideas. We will definitely make for it. Okay, take care.